Most people assume that AI-powered drones will be used for combat, taking out enemy soldiers and destroying equipment. But what if I told you that these systems are being designed to target civilians instead? What if I showed you that some of the world's most powerful militaries are already using AI-powered drones to track and monitor peaceful protesters, dissident activists, and even ordinary citizens? That's right, in 2025, the future of warfare is no longer just about winning battles, it's about winning hearts and minds. The real game-changer isn't what we think it is. It's not the drone swarms or the AI-powered supercomputers. It's something far more insidious, the rise of predictive policing, using AI systems to predict, identify, and suppress dissenting voices before they even happen. The implications are chilling. If we let this technology take hold, we risk creating a world where governments can monitor, control, and manipulate entire populations with impunity. A world where the very notion of freedom is reduced to a mere data point, a world where the future is no longer what we make it, but what AI systems tell us it should be. So, by 2025, will you be ready for the new face of warfare? Because the truth is, we're not just fighting for our countries, we're fighting for our very humanity.